Welcome to the Yeelight Beam Setup Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to set up your Yeelight Beam. First, let's unbox the product. Inside the box, you'll find 2 light bars, 2 bases, 1 power adapter, 1 Type-C cable, and 1 headset holder. Now, let's install the light bars. Attach the light bars to the bases. Align the arrow on the light bar with the mark on the base. Connect the adapter and the Type-C cable. Plug in the power adapter, lights on. Attach the headset holder to either light bar for earphones. Click the back button to sync with music offline. Now let's set up the lights with Yeelight app. Download the Yeelight app from Apple App Store or Google Play. Choose the Singapore server, sign up with your email, and log in. Reset the device to connect. Press and hold the button right after reconnecting the power. Continue holding until it blinks blue. When it shows a rainbow light, the device is reset. Tap Plus in the Yeelight app. Tap Add Now and scan the Matter QR code on the base. Wait for the connection, then name your device. Now enjoy your lights.